Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick about how we all tend to be too hard on ourselves. Whatever it is that we're promoting, we always tend to be hard on ourselves when things don't go exactly right. Um, Whenever you're going after something big or a dream or a goal or building a business or doing anything like that, you're always going to have things that are going to test you. You're going to have, whether it's people not agreeing with you, whether it's people or whether it's you're just not getting the results that you want. We tend to be too hard on ourselves, saying maybe I'm not good enough for this, or maybe I should just quit and not do anything. But that's the problem why most people don't live the life they truly want to live. It's because they're not willing to put in the work and effort they need to get there, and keep striving for whatever it is. It may take 1 year from now or 2 years from now or 3 years from now, but if you keep battling it out and you keep moving forward and you keep educating yourself and getting better, you're gonna eventually, at some point, most likely, you're gonna succeed. And with success comes you may have some people down that are also trying to pursue the same thing. You may have other people that are jealous of you because of your success. And I forget who said it, but they said, when you start succeeding, be prepared to be tested and judged, because not everyone's going to agree with you. You may have your haters, but don't get yourself down. Don't be too hard on yourself, because it's because of that most people quit. And I'm making this year a year of renewal, a year of rebuilding my business. My journey hasn't been all sunshine and roses. I've worked hard. I've had my failures. I've learned from my failures, and I've also learned from the things that I've succeeded in. But if you just keep moving forward and you keep plugging along, at some point you're going to succeed. Just recently, I got back into rebuilding my business, and for all day yesterday, I've been kind of like paralyzed. I was like kind of paralyzed because I've been out of it for so long, and I just didn't know where I should get started. So I just didn't have the motivation to do something. And the reason why that is because when you're away from something for so long, you got to get back into that groove. You got to get back into that. You got to fire yourself up again. And one way I do that is I go onto YouTube, type in motivational videos, and I watch motivational videos. And when you do that, you're going to get some talks from people that have failed and they have succeeded. But they never quit, so that's why they're successful. So whatever it is that you're pursuing, just keep going at it. And you're always going to be learning too. I just want to let you guys know that. There's never going to be a time where you're not going to have to educate yourself on new ways of doing things, because the world's constantly changing, and you just got to, like I said, you just got to keep at it. And one way of doing that is motivating yourself. Now, you're going to find some people that may say, you may find some people that are, what am I trying to say here? You're going to have some people that are going to be saying, you got to think positive. And you do have to think positive, but thinking positive alone isn't going to make you succeed. Because thinking positive is a great motivator and a great means of driving yourself to success, but it's not going to be about just be thinking positively is going to bring you to success. It's from your dedication, your hard work, and your efforts that are going to make you get there. And a lot of times too, when we start being too hard on ourselves, we start blaming other people. The only one that's going to help you succeed is you. You are your best PR person for whatever it is that you're doing. And when you start blaming others and not taking responsibility for yourself, because I can almost guarantee you're not taking enough effort. You're not replanning. You're not writing down your goals and other things like that. So what I'm trying to say is, don't be hard on yourself, and take your time. Don't overwork yourself to the point where you get discouraged. Start doing whatever you can, whether it's you have to take a piece of paper and write your goals down and put them on the wall of your bedroom or your refrigerator or something like that, and keep looking at that and keep using that as a guide on where you want to be. Eventually you will succeed. So that's pretty much all I want to say in this video, guys. Just don't be hard on yourselves. Keep moving forward, and you'll find that at some point you're going to start finding success. So if you like this video, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate you helping me out in my channel. I'm going to have more videos like this coming up. And if you'd like to see what I do in my business and everything, you can take a look in the description below. And also make sure you also hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so when I upload new content, you will get to see it and you'll be notified. So I hope you guys liked this video. Remember, I am not scripted, so if I went off in different directions, it's not because that was my intention. Like I've always told to people, whenever I make videos, I always do my videos as if I'm talking to a friend or a relative or someone I care about. And if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.